Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore fascinating topics that can transform your life. Today we have something truly incredible to share with you. We are going to talk about the top 3 ways veganism can change your life. Now you might be thinking, veganism? Is it not just a diet? No, it is so much more than that. Veganism is like discovering a whole new world where your choices can have a profound impact on your health, the environment, and even the lives of animals. So, get ready for an eye opening journey with us. Imagine your body as a high performance car. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies need the right nutrition to function at their best. That is where veganism comes in, offering a whole range of incredible benefits. At the outset, let us first understand what veganism is. Veganism is a way of life that seeks to exclude all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty. It means avoiding the consumption of animal products such as meat, dairy, eggs, and honey, as well as abstaining from using products derived from animals like leather or fur. Contrary to popular belief, vegan food is far from boring. In no way does it entail sacrificing taste and variety. In fact, going vegan opens up a whole new world of culinary delights and flavors. From colorful salads bursting with flavors to creamy plant based ice creams, you will be amazed at the endless possibilities. You might even discover a newfound love for cooking and experimenting with ingredients you have never tried before. When you adopt a vegan lifestyle, you are not just changing what you eat, you are also contributing to a better world. You are making a conscious decision to live in harmony with our ecosystem, promote compassion towards animals, and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Now, let us dive into the top 3 ways veganism can change your life. Way 1, it enhances your health. Eating a vegan diet can improve your overall health in countless ways. By consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, you will flood your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and provide you with long lasting energy. Plus, studies have shown that vegans often have lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Do not believe the misconception that veganism makes you physically weak. Studies also show that a vegan diet can enhance athletic performance, endurance, and recovery time. In fact, some of the strongest athletes in the world, like professional wrestlers Daniel Bryan and Austin Aries, follow a vegan lifestyle. Way 2, it promotes environmental sustainability. The world we live in is facing numerous challenges at the moment, and our food choices play a crucial role in them. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water pollution. When you choose plant based meals, you are not just making a personal choice, you are making a powerful statement about the future of our world. By adopting a vegan lifestyle, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint, conserve water, and help protect endangered species. It is like giving back a priceless gift to Mother Nature and planting the seed for a healthier, greener world. Way 3, it fosters compassion for animals. Animals are sentient beings capable of feeling pain, joy, and love just like us. Did you know that by going vegan, you can save thousands of animal lives every year? Think about it this way. Each time you sit down for a meal, you have the power to choose compassion over cruelty. Millions of animals suffer in factory farms every day, but each time you choose a plant based meal, you are giving them a voice. And by doing so, you are supporting a more compassionate world. And trust us, that feeling of knowing you are making a difference is indeed invaluable. So, there you have it, the top 3 ways veganism can change your life. As we wrap up our discussion, it is worth mentioning here that veganism has a spiritual aspect too. The practice of veganism aligns perfectly with the spiritual ideal of ahimsa, which advocates practicing non-violence and compassion towards all living beings. People also practice veganism as a way to foster good karma, as their choices will not only have a positive effect on themselves but also on the world as a whole. Remember, it's not about what you are giving up, it's about what you are gaining. Every small step counts, and together we can create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, live well, be kind and stay healthy.